everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, I am very happy with how everything in this area turned out so far. But yeah, afterwards I saw little things, and there's some changes I want to do, and some maybe little add-ons I want to do here in this area here. So this is all I will tell you about what I'm gonna do here or whatever. So yeah, let's go and do that then. Okay, this is a little well, aluminium piece of aluminium. My husband was melting aluminium, and this piece fell into the grass, and yeah, then he came to me, asked me if I could use this in my dollhouse, and immediately I saw art. So yes, of course I will. So I'm gonna leave it just like this, and I'm gonna use it as art. I'm just gonna place it on this little plank I've got here, and yeah, I think that will look beautiful. So I already got a place to put that as well. And this is just from a little, well, I don't know, but something was under here and it was cut off. It's just a little stainless steel ball, and my husband just grind this flat for me. I'm going to put, because by my fireplace there's 4 things on the shelf, and that doesn't work for me. It must be uneven numbers. I don't want the, so I'm going to put it there by the camel. The giraffe. I'm going to put it by the giraffe. Okay, and then I found other wine glasses in my kitchen, so I'm also going to put this in my bar. And this bottle doesn't fit was in that one shelf in the bar, and so I'm going to just cut off this neck, and I don't like this little cap on there that I made, so I'm just going to replace that with this little crystal sequin thingy. I'm going to change that. And then I always, this is just a top piece, most of the tea candles. And I, from the beginning when I was making the bar, I wanted to use this as a bottle. And I just couldn't find something. And I said, oh, no, it won't work as a bottle. And then I find the advertisement in the book with a strange looking bottle. So I thought to myself, okay, there you go. I can use this as a bottle. So I'm going to add another bottle, liqueur, Royal Rhino liqueur, in my bar. And then this is with my whiskey glasses, but I want just to jazz it a little bit up. So I've got an idea what I want to try and do with this whiskey glasses. So we'll see if that works. And I'm going to change one of my wines because I wanted 4 cousins in my bar, and I couldn't find 4 cousins. And then yeah, we had Black Friday, so that was a lot of advertisements in the newspaper. So I found a 4 cousins label, so I'm going to change this label with that. And then in my bar fridge, I actually saw that I've got enough place here for another beer bottle that I can put there. And then this little small little bottles won't fall between them, so I'm gonna put an extra bottle of beer in there. And this is this one I'm going to make. It's just an extra bottle with this. I'm just gonna make a extra bottle of beer. And there's another thing, I also couldn't find Black Label beer, so at last I found also little labels for that, some small little ones there. So I'm going to cut out, I'm going to change some of these bottles here that I made to Black Label, because I want Black Label in my bar. And this in the next is, I'm going to make another type of bottle opener, like one we have got in our bar, and then yeah, you will see how I'm going to do it. But I like this little thing. It's also just for, I don't know, what you put on a whatever that is, I don't know, but it looks like a little bottle, you can see that. So I'm going to use that in this bottle opener thing I'm going to make. Okay, so in this bottle I'm also going to change the cup here, because this looks like a very expensive bottle of liqueur or whatever, and then this cup just that I made look so cheap. So I'm also going to change that with a little crystal bollicky thing. And this is just also not one of those big cups I found, well, in my kitchen. So I'm just going to put it there in a bar. I don't know. So that is all the stuff that I'm going to change quickly and add to the bar. So yeah, let's get started. Now, isn't that the cutest little bottle opener? So you're going to put it just against the wall, and if you open your bottle, the little cap will fall in there. And I just put a, so there's something on there, and the W, yeah, it means something very special to me. So yeah, that's finished now, so let's go put it in my area. Okay, I'm starting at a blank wall, but you know me, I always go in a circle. So yeah, I know the stairs must come on this wall here, but I've got this little like a picnic set table thing that came with doll stuff many years ago, and I'm just gonna, just for now, I'm gonna put it there because of this blank space here. And yeah, and then I've made my little art was for, I'm gonna put it here up against here, so I'm gonna do that quickly. Okay, I think that looks beautiful there on top of the door, and I like this wall art very much. It looks nice with the wood. Yeah, it's beautiful. So next I've got this little thingy-majiggy ball. I'm gonna put it here by my giraffe. Okay, so now I'm happy. There's uneven numbers, 2 in the corner, 2 in this corner, 1 in the middle. So now I'm happy with that, and I think it looks nice there. Yeah, so next is the stuff in my bar, because everything here is now is right. I'm happy with all the stuff here. I just put away the throw because it's most now summertime. So I've got most this wine glasses here, so I want to put in here on the shelf as well, but I don't have space. But so I'm going to put this little glasses on top of that, and I want to put nice glasses in my wine rack here, so I'm going to change glasses here around. Okay, there's that. Now I've changed that and there, and now I actually want to change this little bell to this side here, because the problem here is I like this key, but it's too much in the corner here. I want also to move it to that side, so that's next. Okay, now you can see my little key better, and there's my little bell. This actually came from a real charm bracelet I had that broke, this and this, so it's actually real gold. But yeah, okay, I've pasted this little motorbike against the wall here because it keeps falling down, and I have space here on my shelf to put other interesting stuff if I get some, to put it there, and it's even more space here to put something when I get something interesting. So I'm just gonna put this bottle is now much better, I think. Yep, there it is, perfect. So it fits perfectly in there. I hope it won't stand. Oh, so nice. So now I'm gonna change. I've got a new bottle I want to put here, and I want my Johnny Walker there out of the corner. So I'm going to change the bottles around here and put my new bottle also up here. Okay, so I've changed my bottles around a bit, so the straws is on that side now, and yeah, there is my new bottle as well on the shelf here, and my Johnny Walker is out of the corner, and I somehow put my 4 Cousins wine in the shelf as well. And then next is this little whiskey glasses of mine that I tried that with the paint, and it actually came out real cute. So I'm just gonna put that on the shelf there. Here's my whiskey glasses now. It looks very nice actually, and my fridge is on its place and full of stuff, so that's also full, and I can just put this opener here on top again. Okay, and this wine bottle is also on its place. It's falling down here. And then there is my other bottle opener against the wall. So you just put your bottle in here, and the cup fell in there. So yeah, so I am happy now. I'm happy with how everything is now come together. So yeah, next is my dry area. This is, I'm not going to use this box, it's just I put it here to see my space for what I need here for the dry barbecue area. This is going to be my dry, and I'm going to use this I've got this, it's the same as that. I've got this and I've got it in silver, but I'm going to use that as the rooster. Well, the mesh you put on top. And of course I'm going to cover my braai with this brick, the same as the brick against my fireplace area. And yeah, and then I've got lots of stuff here that I will maybe use in my braai area. I don't know. I'll just put this here. See, it's not really going to be space for that, but just for now, make the place a little bit full. But yeah, so, and this is all the stuff that I may or may not use for my braai area. So this is the silver one I can use. And yeah, maybe this is another braai I've got. And then this is all cut out for like ketchup and bottles and all that stuff. And yeah, you may need buy a braai. So yeah, and of course this is going to be here when I'm finished. This is going to be here just to give the next level some support. And yeah, so I must keep that in mind as well for space. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's enough now. Just a little update of where we are and what's going on. So next is my braai area. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a good old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And then until next time, bye.